Braised chicken drumsticks. Heat up vegetable oil, add ginger and stir-fry for a while, then add green onions and garlic and stir-fry. Pour in the chicken legs and stir-fry, season with seasoning, add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, stir-fry, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, stir-fry. Add 2 pieces of rock sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, stir-fry, then mix with 3 tablespoons of water, and cover the pot. After boiling, change to medium heat and simmer the chicken for 30 minutes, open the lid, change to high heat and stir-fry for 1 minute to complete.